All right, so it's actually raining out here in Arizona, something that doesn't happen very often. But I thought I would give you all a video on what this looks like when it's actually raining and the louvers are fully closed. So at the moment, there is no water leaking. It does look like it's fully sealed on the roof when it's raining. I did have the louvers partially open, so that's why you're seeing water on them right now. But as you can see, we do have a slight drizzle, so there's a little bit of water. I'll show you what the pool looks like. As you can see, it's not coming down too hard, but it is coming this way. So put that down. I will say that when the screens are down, it does restrict airflow. So keep that in mind. Also, one thing that I didn't take into consideration is when these are fully closed and it's hot out, this will actually radiate heat. It feels like heat is actually kind of coming down from the ceiling, which makes sense, right? It is just steel, it's not insulated or anything. All right. Coming down a little bit harder now. All right, let's take a look. I'm going to put the screen down over here. We'll see if water gets through the screen. All right, yeah, it's starting to, you can definitely feel a little bit of a drizzle. All right, so just being on this side right now, let me close this back screen. Uh, so I can feel a little bit of water coming through the screen right here, even though it's not coming down particularly hard or that there's like a crazy wind. I can certainly still feel water coming through the screen right here. Yeah, you probably can't see it, or maybe you can, I don't know. Just put it off at an angle. Maybe you can see it coming through that way. But water is getting through. So keep that in mind. You don't need a really strong breeze for the water to actually get through, nor do you need a ton of rain to come down. All right, I hope that's been helpful in terms of understanding how the water works and how it gets diverted down to the pillars. I'm also hoping that it's helpful to understand if the screens can block rain. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good one.